China's state-owned arms firm Norinco Group on Monday held an offensive and defensive drill, featuring its trade-oriented ground-based unmanned and anti-unmanned combat systems at a test site in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. During the event, China's OW5 laser weapon system demonstrated its capability to intercept incoming aerial targets using directed energy as a counter-unmanned strategy. The OW5 laser weapon system is a high-mobility vehicle-mounted low-altitude anti-drone system, designed to protect key locations and convoys from drone threats. It integrates radar and optoelectronics for rapid and precise target detection, aiming and tracking, with no need for ammunition supply. Fast strike speed and high accuracy, operating independently or in cooperation with other systems. The OW5 laser emitter can track moving targets, whether they are low, small, slow-level drones. It can burn out drone circuits within several kilometers in seconds. The laser incurs minimal costs and does this not require ammunition, said Ben Chi, an expert from Norinco. Ben said the OW5 also has a strong capability for rapid target switching. When faced with multiple drones, it can quickly switch targets after taking down one in a matter of seconds.